Okay, so you've connected with someone, or you already have connections on your Facebook or Instagram or in your phone book, and you've shared your story. Either you've posted on your Facebook or Instagram, or you've told your story in person, or you've messaged your story to someone, whatever it is, the story has created or elicited an interest from someone. Someone is interested in getting started, okay? And they've said to you, how much is it? How do I get started? What is it you're doing? What's this program you're talking about? And that's when you move to the next step, which is what we call WOOP. Okay, because in network marketing, it's not how we close people, but how we open them. So WOOP is going to teach you how to open them first and then make an offer to help them. Okay, and if you do this properly, you will be able to enroll far more people and get them started. Okay, if you miss this, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to enroll people. Okay, so WOOP. What does WOOP stand for? WOOP stands for wish, outcome, obstacle, and plan, okay? Now, this works whether you're talking about the products, the business, it doesn't really matter. You can WOOP yourself, you can WOOP your friends, you can WOOP people in person. I WOOP someone doing a workout the other day. You can WOOP in Messenger, whatever it is, you can WOOP them anywhere, anytime, okay? This is how you're gonna help them overcome the obstacle to get to where they wanna go, all right? That's your job. So the wish is basically getting their goal. What is their wish? What are they wanting to achieve? So you can simply say, if they say to you, well, I'm ready to get started, what's this program, how does it work? You can say, well, look, it's a great program, but just curiously, what are you wanting to achieve? What are you wanting to achieve? Question mark, okay? Asking the question what they want to achieve. They'll say, I want to lose weight. That's not a good enough goal. You've got to dig deep and you've got to say, okay, how much weight do you want to lose exactly? And they'll tell you 10 kilos, okay? So now you've got a measurable wish, a measurable goal they want to get to. Then you want to find out why they want to get there, because unless you unpack why they want to get there, you're never going to know really what's motivating them, okay? So that's where we go to the outcome. What is the outcome they desire from achieving their wish, okay? So the outcome question is, okay, cool, so you want to lose 10 kilos. For what purpose do you want to lose that 10 kilos? Or why mainly do you want to lose that 10 kilos? Okay, that's the question. And if they say, well, I just want to feel healthy, that's not good enough. You've got to dig a bit deeper and you've got to say, okay, why do you want to feel healthy? Well, I want to live longer. Okay, well, why do you want to live longer? So I can see my kids grow up and I can be more active. Boom, bingo, okay? If they say they want more confidence, more self-esteem, or they want to do it for their kids, you've got the outcome they really want, okay? Once you've got the outcome, you just move to the next question, which is the third one, which is the obstacle. You want to find out what's preventing them from achieving their wish to get their outcome, okay? And so an obstacle question is, okay, so what's preventing you from losing that 10 kilos so you can run around with the kids more? And they'll usually say, I don't have time to eat properly, I don't have time to exercise, I don't exercise enough, I'm exercising and it's not working. Something is an obstacle there, okay? It's usually time or convenience or eating the wrong thing, all right? So figure out what it is. And then once you've got their obstacle, that's great, you move to the plan. And the plan is a simple question: do you currently have a plan to achieve that goal? Some people will, most people won't, okay? So your job is you're gonna offer them a plan to overcome the obstacle, to achieve their goal, to achieve their outcome and their desire. Does that make sense? So let's go through one example and then I'll explain how you make the offer at the end. So, they want to lose 10 kilos, you've got the wish, they want to run around with the kids more or get more self-confidence, you've got the outcome. The obstacle is, well, they don't have time to exercise, or they're eating wrong, they don't know how to eat properly. Okay, you've got the obstacle. The plan, they don't have one. So then you move to the offer and you say, okay, if I could show you how to lose 10 kilos so that you can run around with the kids more and build more confidence without you having to rely on exercise, or without you having to worry about counting calories, or without you having to worry about meal prepping, and I could give you a proper plan where I can coach you for the next 30 days to get those results, would that be of value to you? Would that be of value to you? Okay, so you're ending in a question. So when you're asking the wish, it's what are you wanting to achieve? For what purpose do you want to achieve it? What's preventing you from achieving it? And what plan do you have in place to achieve it? And that will unpack them and make the offer. When they say yes, you move to the next step, okay, which we're going to talk about in the next video.